Okay, welcome back. This is just going to be a short little addendum video to the basic SPA page, and you can use this for really any of your SPA pages, but um, probably useful to have a 404 page as well. So if somebody tries to browse to a invalid page in your site, it's just not going to work. And kind of what I mean by that is here we have our page from the last demo. Again, this is the single page basic application where we can just kind of click through to our basic pages here. One thing I forgot to mention in the last video too, you note that the actual URL bar is updating too when we do this. So we're not doing page reloads, but we're seeing things happen here. And what I mean by that is that we can directly navigate to these pages by updating the browser. And the problem is that sometimes you think users will think that they know what they're doing. And let's go to, oh, they probably have a, what was that, about me page or something, right? Well, it doesn't exist. It's going to try to route for us, or about me contact. Maybe show me the homework solutions. Okay, again, these pages don't exist. We just get a dead page. Now we can handle this a little bit more intelligently with a 404 router. Now I'll put a link in the description for how you can go about doing this. There's a lovely Geeks for Geeks blog article about that. The only thing we really need to do is import a new component, that 404 page, and route if we don't have a match. Now again, something we talked about way back when we talked Rails. This is basically just a pattern matching type of situation up here. So it's looking for a matching URL. So let's go ahead and get back into our app here. Now, this is my main app.js page. Again, nothing different here. Let's go ahead and also import our 404 page. So import page not found from / 404 page. Just going to follow their syntax verbatim just so it's not confusing. All right, so we have our various routes here. Now we also need to add in route path equals asterisk element equals page not found, which we need to still define. Okay, so again, the blog is for React version 5, not 6. So they have up their component equals. We don't want that. All right, so let's go ahead and now create our page not found.js. So this is called 404 page.js. And in here, we want to import React from React. And let's make our function page not found. And we want to return. Let's export. What's the syntax again? Export defaults 404 page. Export defaults page not found. Okay, so now it's exported. And we want to return div image src equals that. And that's all we want to return. All right, so we have a typo up here. Let's fix that. So import React, function page not found. And we're just going to return a broken image link. Now it looks like it's this. Okay, that seems to be fine. It's just wrapping. Alrighty, so if we now go ahead and refresh, oops, there's our broken link. So home, about, contact, contact to. Oops, you get a dead link. So you could use this for a, if you have a broken link, maybe you updated a page slug or a URL, and you want to have some kind of user-friendly error handling. This is one way you can do that. This is honestly my favorite 404 broken link image, but there's a ton of ways you could do this. You could just route them back to the home page, but really the only important thing that we did here is to define a route that catches everything that is not one of our pre-existing links. That's all I'm really doing here. Um, Again, if you are starting a brand new, fresh React application with this video, make sure that you translate all the React router calls to version 6, which is kind of why I'm starting from the last demo rather than creating a new one. The Honestly, the only important thing is this path equals asterisk. But okay, again, a quick little video, but hopefully it's helpful for you. And yeah, see you in the next one.